Do you and should you include a cleaning fee when doing a midterm rental insurance stay? Now, typical stays start with a month and then can extend out to 6 months, maybe three, maybe nine, maybe a year. So the question is, do I include a one-time cleaning fee and do I include periodic cleaning fees? The answer is do both. The thing is, you're gonna want to have a deep cleaning fee when they leave. It's gonna be deeper than the other ones, and you're probably gonna want to factor in what I like to call a long-term stay fee that allows you to kind of restock or do some painting, etc. But that's another set of fees. Let's focus on the cleaning fee for now. Cleaning fee, deep cleaning fee at the end, but hopefully this answers another one of your questions. Do I include a cleaning fee now? Or a cleaning service? My question, the answer to that question, rather, is yes. You should factor in as a line item a periodic monthly cleaning fee. And the reason why that's important is you want to have eyes on the property, right? You don't want the property to not have been looked at by someone on your team or your cleaner for the next 3, 6 months, 9 months, because that's when we start to lose a handle of what's really going on in the property. It's also another, excuse to have a set of eyes within the property that you can have, and you can maybe catch things, which is why we like the short-term rental space, because yes, there are highly turnovers, but at least in that world, you have the ability to catch things quicker at every turnover, right? And so we take a little bit from what works from each world and we want to bake it in to at least have eyes on the property once a month baked into your contract. Now, the beauty of the matter is if the numbers don't work, then maybe you can take that out or along with other fees. The beauty of this space is you can add a bunch of fees that add up into your gross revenue that you make, such as admin fees, cleaning fees, pet fees, non-refundable fees. Just keep in mind with the security that the tenant is paying for that, and so you don't ever want to kill a deal. But more on a video like that later. I would say include both. You heard it. Less is more, but sometimes more is going to be better for you and for them. Keeps the property clean. Insurance company is paying for it anyway. Keeps the eyes set on the property for quality assurance and gives you an ability to have some access here and there to make sure that everything is going as it's supposed to be going. Include the fees and make sure that you also include by having a midterm rental insurance blueprint in your Rolodex for you to periodically assess when you come across questions or insights that you might need to operate your midterm rental insurance operation. Grab that free midterm rental insurance blueprint at experimentrealestate.com. And of course, hit the subscribe button. See you soon.